Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnava
Nana avatar makarad bhuvanesha kintu Krishna sang samabhavat paramapamanayo Govindamadi buddhism tamang bhajan. Ramadi muktishu. Krishna has got innumerable expansion. Some of them are called Vishnu Tattva and some of them are called Jiva Tattva. He has got innumerable expansions. The Vishnu Tattva expansion, they are as good as Krishna, powerful. And Jiva Tattva, we are Jiva Tattva, we are also expansions of Krishna. Just like the whole human race is expansion of some forefather, Manu. From Manu, man. This is also Sanskrit. Manu, man. In Sanskrit, Manushya, man. So similarly, the original father, original progenitor is Krishna. And from his expansion, there are innumerable. Some of them are called sangsha. Sangsha means personal expansion. And some of them are vivinnangsha, separated expansions. We are separated expansions, but we are also Krishna's expansions. So, Krishna appears Ramadi Murtisu as Lord Ramchandra, as Varaha, as Kurma, as Nrsimhadev, as Matsya, so many. Ramadi Murtisu Kalaniyamena Tishtan. So he is always existing with so many expansions. None of the expansions are any time vanquished. They are existing always. We are also existing. After this body also we shall continue to exist. Krishna sang samabhavat paramapamanayo. But Krishna, when he appears, he is the Supreme Personality of God. Govindamadi buddhism tamang bhajan. So, Krishnastu Bhagavan Sayam in the Srimad Bhagavatam, there is list of incarnations. You should read all this in the 3rd chapter, 1st volume. And when Krishna's name is there, it is said, Krishnastu Bhagavan Sayam. Iti chang sakala pumsa Krishnastu Bhagavan. All these list of names, they are expansions of Krishna. But this name Krishna, he is the original Supreme Personality of God. That is the meaning of Govindamadi Buddhism Tamaham. I worship Govinda, the primal Lord. Chant.